Bullish Nexo cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.08 and $5.81 by 2030. Market experts accept Nexo could reach $2.39 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 54 cents. Nexo presentation researchers learned one thing on account of the development of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked resolutely to foster a unique cryptographic money that could hold most extreme incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood money. We should take a gander at the coin synopsis prior to getting into a far-reaching value forecast of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital currencies through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these credits don't need a FICO rating makes them a beneficial option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt credit in excess of 45 unique government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly set aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The conditional scale. 2. Making it simpler for applications to flawlessly incorporate. The universe of installments has all the earmarks of being going to go through a total change thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a beneficial venture decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction money trades has been a conspicuous part of Nexo. The primary benefit customers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. Out of the blue, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed lackluster showing, the Nexo cost showed solidness, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a huge expansion in force. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. The cost of Nexo has a splendid viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady, unwavering quality, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful going ahead. Considering our Nexo cost forecast, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many ventures will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost expectation, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the digital money market. The Nexo value expectation is supposed to rise quickly long-term, as per all suitable cost forecast information. Nexo current cost. Nexo is presently worth 61 cents USD. Nexo has moved 0.26% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,371,366. Nexo is presently positioned 91 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $382,685,662 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Nexo value expectation 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Nexo cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 92 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 85 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 73 cents. Nexo value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.53. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nexo's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.23 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.35. Nexo value forecast 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.15 and Nexo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.96 and a low of $1.84 in 2025. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Nexo effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.76, with a base cost of $2.45 and a typical cost of $2.58. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.19 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.07 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Nexo has a greatest value worth of $3.37. Nexo Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.80. On the off chance that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $3.99. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $3.68. Nexo Value Expectation 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.30 and a yearly cost close above $4.60 in 2029. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $4.91 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $5.22, averaging out at $5.03. Nexo Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Nexo cost in 2031 is projected to be $6.01 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $5.77. And the cost of the Nexo currently doesn't foresee what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is reliant upon the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how Nexo will foster from now on. You could likewise investigate the subject as another option. Token holders could assist you with concluding whether you're a first-time buy in this market. It is trying to foresee a cash's definite worth ahead of time because of the unstable idea of the cryptographic money market. A notable digital money that has so far been fruitful is Nexo. Nexo speculations can be savvy moves, yet you ought to hold off on huge